Like what? Why am I doing this? When was the last time you scrolled through Instagram Reels or TikTok and saw a crazy makeup hack that you literally had to try to see if it was true? This video is all about the craziest makeup trends that I have seen all over the internet, and we have got to put it to the test. So I've actually wanted to make this video for forever, but I didn't know exactly what trends I wanted to try out. So I have a list of about 4 or 5 of them that are super crazy. Like, I have so many questions. Is this actually gonna work? Will this change my life? Who knows? Make sure that you hit the like button and support my channel by subscribing. Make sure that you turn on the post notifications so that you see my videos. YouTube has not been pushing out my content, which is just absolutely horrible, but that is not gonna stop me from creating really great content for you guys. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. The first one we're gonna look at, I'm sure you've seen all over your feeds. It's like a viral blush hack that you're supposed to put all over your face, and it just looks really crazy. It's kind of hard to believe that it actually does anything. So let's see, she's putting it on her cheeks, on her forehead, on her nose, and then going in with some highlighter and a little bit of contour. And then she's doing her foundation. Let's give it a go. She went like right here, on her cheeks, on her nose. Oh my gosh, this feels so wrong. On her other cheek. Okay, and then she did like a giant line right there. Like what? Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is go in with some concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and say I am that confident that this will be a total fail. There's no way this is gonna work out. There's no way. Look at me. Wow, this is so crazy. Why am I doing this? I just want to know who the first person was to try this and why. So the next thing she does is she just takes her foundation. It looks like she just did her foundation as usual. So far, I just look like a giant tomato. We are not quitters. We are not quitters. Honestly, like, I don't see it, right? What do you think? Here's the thing. I think you're wasting a lot of not only red lipstick, but it's just like a lot of energy. And also, if I was gonna do this trend, I would just use like a powder blush. I don't know. I just, nope. But it was fun, we tried it, now we know. All right guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup. So next we're gonna test out a fake freckle makeup hack. It looks so easy, but that might be my kryptonite. So she sprayed it into like the cap first, and then she got some of the bronzer powder. Oh, and she mixed it, okay. So I'm just taking a regular bronzer, and I'm gonna take a little bit of my NYX setting spray. She sprayed it several times into like a cup, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, so I'm dabbing. I'm trying to get it, it's kind of hard to aim, but I want it right on my cheek right here. Ooh, I did too much, dang it. Okay, I think it's working. It's working and it's super cute. My too much gene might be kicking in because I don't feel like stopping. I really liked that hack. I thought it was really easy, really simple. Tab Look 101 100% recommends hack number 2. The next hack we're gonna do is we're gonna do our eyeshadow using a spoon. She basically does like a cut crease moment, and it looks so good. It looks so even. And she's also kind of helping her to like line out like a little bit of a wing with eyeshadow. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a base color down. So I'm gonna go in with this like creamy white base color. She's holding the spoon sideways like this. I don't know, I have no idea. And it feels so weird covering your eye like this. Okay, yeah. I can see the appeal. Next, I'm gonna go in with this really pretty melted chrome eyeshadow. Okay, yeah. I went ahead and finished up my eye makeup. A solid 8 out of 10. I don't think I would use it all the time. The next hack is an eyelash hack. She's taking a normal mascara and she's just applying a few coats to her eyes, and then she's actually going in with a hairdryer and blasting it on cool. First step, let's just do a few coats of mascara. In the video, she actually is using her real lashes, but who actually uses their real lashes anymore? So we're gonna grab our falsies and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and just see what happens. Oh, it's like my eyes water. Do we notice a big difference? So honestly, I could see something like that actually being really beneficial if you maybe are traveling and you don't have like an eyelash curler. That would work great. But other than that, not like a huge fan. I just went ahead and finished my lips and did some setting spray, and this is the full face of MAKEUPHACKS. I mean, I have thoughts. We know what we do like and we know what we don't like. Definitely not to the whole blush hack. I love the spoon. I thought the spoon was a really great idea, especially if you want to be really precise. I thought that the fake freckles were really effective, and I would say using the blow dryer as maybe like a last alternative if you happen to forget your eyelash curler. Even if it doesn't work out, it's still really entertaining to watch, and honestly, I had a blast filming this. Let me know if you want me to do other videos like this, maybe like a part 2. I might even try like the 5-minute crafts. We all know those things are a scam, so I might even try to test some of those. Let me know down in the comments. If you are not subscribed, please support my channel and subscribe and stick around and join my family. If you're my OG subbies, you know I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.